kids! Today, we'll learn and have fun with yummy food. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty quizzes. Let's go!
Which one is the healthy food? Is it broccoli, candy, or chips?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes.
Yay! It's the broccoli! So healthy and good for you.
Would you rather live in a yummy candy house or choose a mystery gift house? Wow, it's a cheese house! Hee hee, that's so funny and tasty. Can you spot the tomato that's different?
Think carefully. This one's tricky.
Yes, there it is. It's wearing shoes.
Can you guess the fruit? It's red like a shiny marble. It's juicy and sweet.
Yes, it's the cherry. So yummy. Which one is a vegetable? Is it the donut, the carrot, or the bread? Think carefully. It's the carrot, so crunchy and healthy. Would you rather eat fried eggs or boiled eggs? Both are healthy and so yummy. Can you find the lemon that looks different? Look closely.
I found it. Did you find it too?
Yes, there it is. Well done.
Can you guess the fruit? It's spiky and wears a crown. Yes, it's the pineapple. Which food is cold and sweet? Is it ice cream, soup, or pizza? Think carefully. The correct answer is ice cream. Yummy and chilly.
Would you rather eat fruits or vegetables? Both are super healthy for you.
You have 10 seconds to find the odd one out. Can you spot the different apple? Look closely.
Where are you, yummy little apple?
Good job. This is the different apple.
Can you guess the fruit? It's round, small, and super juicy. Yay! It's the grapes. Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.